Okay, so last night and this morning it has been raining where I am. Now, that in itself is probably not significant to anyone, but for about the past 6 days, it's been saying rain likely to start in the next hour, rain likely to start today, and it hasn't. But today, on the seventh day, the rain started, and it has been a lot of rain. But that brought me to 1 Kings 18:44, where the servant of the prophet Elisha was telling the servant to go look for rain, and the servant came back 6 times, and on the seventh time he reported that he saw a cloud, a small cloud the size of a man's hand. I want to prophesy, decree, and declare to you today that whatever drought you are in, it's coming to an end. Whatever the Lord has promised you, it's about to rain on you. This is your notice. This is your seventh time the rain is coming. Prepare your hearts, prepare your minds. Be prepared, because you never know the day that the Lord is coming for you, that the Lord is coming to bless you, that the Lord is coming. Have a blessed day in purpose, on purpose. I love you so much. With the love of the Lord loves you so much more. Until next time.